Okay, the font, this is activity 2.5. The font is the typeface used to display and print data. The default font in Excel is Calibri, but many other fonts are available. The size of the font is measured in units called points. A point is approximately 1/72 of an inch measured vertically. The default, so if you want 1-inch letters, make your font size 72. The default font size used by Excel is 11 points. The larger the point size, the bigger the type. Each font style can be enhanced to bold, italic, or bold italic. Cell entries display in black with white background. Changing the color of the font and/or the color of the background, called fill, adds interest or emphasis to the cell entry. For this project, you're going to add to the visual appeal of the quotation. You will change the font and font size and apply attributes such as font and fill color to the title quotations. So I'm going to make A5 my active cell. I'm going to click the font button arrow in the font group on the Home tab. This is that. Oh, I'm sorry. I just launched the font dialog box by clicking that. That's not what we want. Right here. I'm going to scroll down the list of fonts and then point to Book Antica at the drop-down gallery. And they're all in alphabetical order. So the one they're asking us to point at is here. Okay. Notice that Excel applies the font you are pointing at to the active cell so that you can see the preview of the result. This feature is called Live Preview. Click Book Antica at the drop-down gallery. So we'll click that to change the font for that cell. Click the font size arrow in the font group and click 18. And again, this, if you point at them, will show you the different sizes in the Live Preview. There's 1-inch letters right there. They want us to click on size 18. With cell A5 still active, click the font color arrow button right here. And then click the blue color option. It's the 8th option in the standard colors. So down here, the standard colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. Select the range of cells A5 to F5. So I'm already on A5. I'm just going to hold down my Shift key and hit my right arrow until an arrow over to F5, and then I'm going to click the Merge and Center button right here. The cells in ranges A5 to F5 have now been merged into one large cell that spans across the 6 columns. The text within cell A5 quotation is now centered within this large cell. As you learned in section 1, merge and center centers titles over multiple columns. With merged cell A5 still selected, click the fill color arrow in the font group, which is this one right here, and then we're going to click blue accent 5 lighter 80. So here's blue, right here, blue, accent 5, maybe it's over here, blue, accent 5, lighter 80. It's the 9th column in the 2nd row. There we go. Okay. The fill color is the background in the cell. Changing the fill color is sometimes referred to as shading. Okay. Then make cell F36 the active cell. So I'm just, to get there quickly, I'm going to F36. Okay. I'm going to make that the active cell. I'm going to click bold and then italic because that's really an important number in this spreadsheet. And then I'm going to save. Control S.